Collaboration.
Informieren.
European connections.
Partnerships.
Innovation.
Great chance to start collaborative research.
Transfer into the market.
Definitely needed for the European industry.
Place to be.
The expectations for the 12th networking event within the framework of Horizon Europe are as diverse as the wide range of topics. With their R&I projects, 400 participants stand for the innovative strength of research institutions and small and medium-sized enterprises.
For us, in North Rhine-Westphalia, participation in Horizon Europe is of utmost importance.
Horizon Europe has always been a catalyst for its collaboration between scientific and business communities, and it offers a wide range of funding opportunities and collaboration opportunities.
Die Stärke ist, dass wir es schaffen, aus den Bereichen Wirtschaft, Hochschulen, Forschungseinrichtungen, Stakeholder, alle quasi an einen großen Tisch zu bekommen und eben aktives Networking zu betreiben. Wir können mit Stolz sagen, dass wir dieses Jahr mit über 400 Anmeldungen aus fast 40 Ländern was sehr Erfolgreiches auf die Beine stellen konnten.
The European network especially is a good platform to find partners. Like here at this event. Personally, I have found here partners for 3 projects which have been funded.
Every project we have, also in research and innovation, is about bringing people together, exchanging and learning from each other.
It is the lively discourse, the diverse exchange of ideas in a broad and differentiated research landscape that defines us. With strong networks, we make this a success. This is what Successful R&I and Horizon Europe stand for.
Only to be in Germany, it's not enough. We need European clusters. We do this since 15 years because you learn a lot of things from other European countries, nations, research institutes, and you need this European network to be competitive in the global competition.
The whole identity of doing European research is to work cross borders and to really harvest on the full potential of European knowledge and innovation potential.